For the first few days, a man kept hearing a faint squeaking sound coming from beneath his lawn, and when he finally looked closer, he froze. Hidden under the grass was a tiny rabbit nest. The babies were so small, they couldn't even open their eyes. Cold, helpless, alone, and their mother never came back. The man realized that if he walked away now, they wouldn't survive the night. So he picked them up with shaking hands and brought them home. He fed them, he kept them warm, and little by little, they began to live again. Days passed, they grew stronger, their eyes opened, and soon, exploring the world with the same man who saved their lives. They never left each other, they never left him. What started as a rescue became a family. These little rabbits got the luckiest chance in life, a home filled with love, and someone who chose to stay.